The 2026 Mercedes-Benz X-Class pickup truck marks the German automaker's renewed foray into the competitive luxury pickup segment. After the initial generation's mixed reception and eventual discontinuation in 2020, Mercedes-Benz has returned with a completely reimagined X-Class that aims to blend the rugged practicality of a truck with the premium features and refined styling expected from a luxury brand. This new version not only addresses past criticisms, but also embraces innovation, advanced technology, and superior performance to appeal to both lifestyle buyers and commercial users, seeking something a cut above the ordinary. The exterior of the 2026 X-Class reflects a bold evolution in design language, retaining its signature Mercedes DNA. The front fascia features a large, upright grille with a prominent three-pointed star, flanked by slim, high-definition LED headlights. So, the body is sculpted with crisp lines and athletic proportions, giving it an aggressive yet refined appearance. Compared to the previous model, the new X-Class is wider and slightly longer, enhancing its road presence and improving cargo bed dimensions. Optional features such as a panoramic sunroof, 20-inch alloy wheels, and an LED tailgate strip add a layer of modern sophistication. The overall styling strikes a balance between urban elegance and off-road toughness. Under the hood, the 2026 X-Class offers a range of powertrains designed to meet diverse driving needs. The base model is equipped with a turbocharged inline-4 engine producing around 255 horsepower, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking more power and off-road prowess, a 3.0-liter inline-6 turbo diesel or a plug-in hybrid option will also be available, offering up to 400 horsepower and ample torque for towing and hauling. All variants come with Mercedes' advanced 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and multiple drive modes for different terrains, including sand, snow, and mud. With a towing capacity exceeding 7,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 1,800 pounds, the new X-Class is engineered to handle tough jobs without compromising luxury or comfort. Inside, the 2026 X-Class brings the comfort and high-tech experience of a Mercedes sedan into the truck cabin. The interior features dual widescreen displays for the instrument cluster and infotainment system, both powered by the latest MBUX software with AI-powered voice controls. Premium materials such as Napa leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting create an upscale environment. The seats are ergonomically designed for long drives, and the rear seat space has been expanded for better comfort. Standard tech features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, and advanced driver assistance systems. A top-tier trim will also offer massaging seats, a Burmester surround sound system, and a head-up display. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz X-Class is expected to start around $55,000 for the base model, positioning it as a premium alternative in the mid-size pickup category. Higher-end variants with hybrid powertrains and luxury packages could push the price upwards of $75,000. While this pricing places it well above mainstream competitors, Mercedes is betting on the appeal of luxury, technology, and brand prestige to attract buyers who are willing to pay more for exclusivity and refinement. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz X-Class is a bold statement in the luxury truck market. It combines utility with elegance, power with efficiency, and rugged capability with refined comfort. Mercedes-Benz has clearly learned from the shortcomings of the first-generation X-Class, delivering a product that feels more authentic and better aligned with the brand's core values. It may not be for every truck buyer, but for those who want a versatile vehicle that's as comfortable in a corporate parking lot as it is on a mountain trail, the new X-Class makes a compelling case.